Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Satoshi Sean, glad you're here. First time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Try to get out at least 2 or 3 videos a week. Definitely 1 or 2, but try to get out 3 or 4. Today, I want to go over a project, a kind of project that I like for multiple reasons. My buddy had talked to me about it, and so I talked to the project, and they asked me to look it over. It's an Italian project called Sinovate. It's actually not. It's called Cinovate, but I'm in a goofy mood, so I thought I'd make a lame joke. If you're old subscriber, new subscriber, please hit the like button, crush it, beat it up. Really helps me out. So let's head over to Cinovate. When I first started really looking at blockchain cloud storage, I thought it was an amazing use case, and it is a little bit different it's hard with the block size, and it can be expensive. But it's a really good use case for the decentralized storage, for the security, a lot of reasons. So I really looked into that, and was a really big investor in those in the beginning. Now, Cinovate, I'm going to go over this. It's kind of a big project. It's kind of a big thing. I really should be doing 2 videos on this, but I'm going to do one and kind of go over both parts. And you can always do your own research, which you should do. So you can take a look at Sinovate. But it is a blockchain decentralized storage. Now, and a Masternode platform. So they used Masternodes along with the decentralized storage. And the Masternodes aren't like regular Masternodes. They're like year-long Masternode contracts. So that provides stability because people aren't starting a node for a month and then stopping it. And it's also powered by a proof of burn by burning the tokens, which makes it deflationary. A lot going on, I know. Their token is called the SIN token, S-I-N. But I'm going to go into that. There's a lot of stuff to cover here. Okay. So remember these numbers when I go over them. Not the block height. Circulating supply is 700 million. The total addresses is 965,000. Remember that. Transactions, 10 million. Total burns, 760 million. Oh, man. So it is a decentralized, I'm going to read this over here. Cinovate is an open-sourced, infinity node-driven DAO, or decentralized autonomous organization. Now it provides fully decentralized and secure distributed ledger technology. Infinity nodes get activated by burning the coins while reducing the supply, which the current scalability is as high as 533 transactions per second. 10 million blockchain transactions, which I think that goes along with, yeah. Oh, I'm reading this on CoinMarketCap, by the way. But here's the big thing. 1 million downloaded wallets. GitHub coding activity. The top 100 show the community's determination. So top 100 on GitHub, and they have over 1 million downloaded wallets with 965,000 addresses being used. That speaks a lot to this. 12-month revolving e-governance votes driven by the Infinity Node owners. Decentralized Cloud 3.0 storing cloud data inside the Infinity nodes. I went over all that. On-chain nodes. Now they have different. So basically, I'm going to go over what the project is first, and then I'll go over these nodes because the nodes are very interesting. And if you watch my channel, you know how interested I am in nodes. If you have any questions on Masternodes, I've done plenty of videos on what Masternodes are, how to set them up easily, which I'm going to hit that on this as well. Okay. Security, the governance model, which is the revolving 12-month e-governance I went over. Stability is the proof of burn or POB. And scalability, like I said, it was at 533 transactions per second. So it's Cinovate. Ticker number is SIN, or ticker name is SIN. The algorithm is X25X. You can set your nodes up on a cloud server, or you can set them up yourself if you want to be weird and super technical. Or you can just use a cloud service, which I'll show you. The one I use is a Node Hub. Whenever I set up a node, usually. Incorruptible data, because it's, blockchain. The X25 algorithm, there's a lot of stuff here to go over on the website. The team is huge. I have checked out some of their LinkedIn's, which all the links work. They have, where is it? Just going to touch on the project, and then we'll go into the nodes. They have a lot of social media stuff, because this project's been around for a while. It's not brand new. But I don't think anyone's really missed the boat on this, because they've been around for 18 months, going on 2 years. But they've been really working on the tech. Let me see. I don't have the coin market cap. Oh yeah, I do. I'll bring that up in a sec. So these are the things that they're working on, that they're very close to getting done. They have the stuff that's in progress. I mean, they're in the top 300 of, was it top 300 or top 100? Oh, damn. They're in the top 100 of GitHub, so obviously they're doing a lot of work. And this is the stuff that they have released. Genesis block was in 2018. So they've been around for going on 2 years. Well, since the Genesis block, or right at 2 years. A lot of the work has been done. What was the last one? May 2020. They set up the Infinity Node web-based VPS hosting. So now, which is over here on Node Hub, you can set them up super, super easy. I think it's like $3 or $4 for them to host your node per month. It's not much at all. Really, really easy. Okay, where was it? Now they have a light paper, which is a little bit in depth. Their light paper. They have a white paper. You can look at a white paper if you have the weekend to kill, but their light paper is 59 pages long. Their light paper is 59 pages long. Very, very detailed. So that's touching on the project. So the project is the decentralized storage, which is a really good use case for blockchain using the Infinity nodes. The Infinity nodes is what I kind of wanted to go over. That's how you can make money and earn their coin. So Masternodes Online, there's 3 different levels of the Masternodes. There is, you go to Cinovate, they have a mini, a medium, and a big, okay? I think we're looking at the mini right now. The mini is returning an ROI of 123% over 297 days, which is amazing. Now required is 100,000 SIN, which the masternode cost is about $275 right now. Let's see, going on Node Hub, just double check. Collateral 100,000, 276. Okay. Then, no, that's coin market cap, which this is also, it's listed on a bunch of exchanges. They've been around for a while. I mean, I'll hit this while we're here. Look at the price in the market cap. It's 1.8 million. I don't think this is too late to get in on this. I'm going to get in on this. I'm going to start up a node, probably a middle node. You can see here, like I said, they've been working on the tech and working on it. They just released the Infinity nodes on a cloud service, or a VP, whatever it is, for what the heck is it? The virtual cloud server. Yeah, so you can run it on a cloud server. But right after the release of that in June, you can see it's definitely on an uptick. So I think that this is something to definitely watch, and it is something that I'm going to get in on. What is the medium? Minimum collateral is 500,000, about $1,375. Revenue is 157 per month. ROI is 136%. So it should match up with this mid-range. So the mid-range is going to give you about $5 a day, 35 a week, 153 a month, 54,800 SIN, 1,800 per year. Now that's it today. Like I said, I think this is really just starting to take off, and the team's working their butt off on it. It's listed on Stex and I think Corrects 24 as well as a bunch of other ones. It looks pretty good. Let me see if we can go over the master nodes. Where is it? Infinity nodes. Here we go. Okay, so you watch my channel, you know how much I'm into master nodes, passive income. I like to make money while I sleep. I think if you're not making money while you sleep, you're not going to get ahead because there's only so many hours in the day. So what is an infinity node? An infinity nodes are similar to traditional master nodes implemented by other currency projects like Dash or I think or Pivx. They help to support the network. You secure the network instead of through proof of work. It's through proof of stake. Now, the multi-tiered masternodes. So this is like I went over. There's the mini, the large, and the medium. So the mid and the big, mini, big, and mid. There's also POW mining, which only takes 25. That's just really just like staking. So the mini, 100,000, 500,000, or 1,000,000 for the big. Okay. Infinity Node 1.0. So the Infinity Node is a improved version of the Dash Masternode cryptocurrency or Dash cryptocurrency, which is, I think, the most expensive Masternode there is. It's really, really expensive. It's like $500,000. There's still many similarities between the two going forward. Sinovate Infinity nodes will differentiate entirely from the Dash Masternode code. And Cinovate will become the first of its kind to be a pure Infinity Node 1.0 platform. What differentiates Infinity Node 1.0 and Masternode technology? So the Infinity Node 1.0 platform will provide the Cinovate public blockchain with a more secure and efficient network protocol, a more streamlined network experience, which is less CPU utilization, basically less electricity and less burning your hardware, less network communication, the elimination of many discovered security flaws found in the Masternode code, the revolution of on-chain node structures, a purely custom-built code different from Masternodes. Infinity nodes will communicate on-chain, so there's no need to start an alias. Right. Provably fair, open verified fully, deterministic node rewards. Inflation controlled with the burn run node ecosystem, which I went over. That's why it's deflationary. Full on-chain registration and servicing. DAO or decentralized autonomous organization with node democracy. That's why you can vote. And node incentives to ensure sustainability, rewards, making money. Soon the first phase of the transition will involve a simultaneous operation of both Infinity nodes and Masternode code. Complete transition to the sole Infinity Node 1.0 platform will occur as soon as the requirements are all met. It will result in the deletion of all legacy Masternode code from the Cinovate code base. So I don't think you're too late in getting in on this. Their tech seems pretty technical, for less of a better word. A lot of things do seem kind of revolutionary about it, which is one of the things I like. I like the tiered Masternode system, so it's easy for more inclusive for people to get in that don't have a ton of money, because I think masternodes are kind of the future of crypto, as far as mining rewards and securing the networks. I'll go with the proof of burn reward algorithm. Infinity nodes use a proof of burn reward algorithm to ensure that all SIN coins used to set up get burnt immutability and recorded as unspendable. This process helps to increase the validity of the decentralized network and ensure all participating nodes reach consensus. This feature further secures the network by deterring bad actors who may attempt to carry out malicious activities on the network. Every node holder commits to support the network's longevity by locking and burning SIN coins in an Infinity node for 12 months. This is something you need to pay attention on. In not doing so, they lose the rewards from the blockchain and potential ROI, or return on your investment. So if you cut your node off early and you don't keep it for the full time period, you lose your rewards. So that, like I said, with a decentralized data storage, you have to have stability. And if you're running it with masternodes, you can't have the instability of people jumping in and out. So that is something that they've instituted to fix that. This is for long-term investors and holders. That's why they've set this up, which I think is smart, to deter bad actors, number one, and people from getting in and getting out and disrupting the network. So the stability requirement ensures the network's endurance. I can't believe I just said all that, and it's probably going to say it right here. The stability requirement ensures the network's endurance and limits the coins in the circulating supply to be sold in more significant amounts, therefore reducing selling pressure. This is not a case. Traditional masternodes can be liquidated and sold at any time. The proof of burn provides the same stability for a future use case of the IDS, iterative cloud storage. What is it? The incorruptible decentralized cloud storage, featured by storing decentralized cloud data inside the Infinity nodes. Really getting too technical on the nodes. So the decentralized cloud storage and the Infinity node tech itself seems very, very impressive. Like I said, dare I say, revolutionary. As far as the money making, right, they started this at the worst possible time. Smack dab at the early parts of the winter. They made it through the crypto winter, still doing tons of work, and they didn't just flatline. And now things are starting to come to fruition, and the token is starting to move up. So I'm looking for this, just my opinion, that this is going to be going up, and it's a really good time to get in. The market cap still super, super low. I think that there's a lot of potential here on the token, or on the coin, since we're going on their own system. Yeah, I don't know. I might go with the big. But I am gonna start one of these nodes. I'll probably do another video when I set it up, just to show you guys, and then I can go over that in my and Kif's weekly update show. But I think the node looks really good. I think that it looks the tech looks really innovative. Are we on the? No, we're on the mid. Let me look at the big. Big's gonna get you about $9 a day, 63 a week, about $275 a month, or 100,000 SIN. So if you make some moves, it won't take but a couple X's, and you got a decent amount coming in every month. And it's already listed on a ton of exchanges. Plus, they're starting to focus on getting on some bigger exchanges, which it's on some decent ones, Crex and Stex. They don't just rhyme; they're pretty good size. Okay, that is about it for Cinovate. I'm going to leave links to the all their, well, some of their Telegram and their website. If you have any questions or comments, hit me below. Remember to crush the like button. I'm Satoshi Sean, and I'll see you all in the next video.